first and foremost, thank you to my newest family, Kiowa. Salamat po sa tiwala. Thank you for making me a part of your family. It's really an honor. And to each and every one of you, it's very nice to see all of you again. Good afternoon.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. For more than 38 years, Kiowa has been part of our everyday lives. In the kitchen, where families bond, in the meals that we share, and in the comfort that comes from knowing we're using something made with care and reliability. And now that same spirit of trust and everyday excellence finds a perfect partner in Julian. And to officially mark this meaningful collaboration between a brand that's built on trust and a woman who embodies it in every way, we now move to a truly special moment. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in witnessing the official contract signing between Kiowa and Miss Judy Ann as we celebrate the partnership that brings warmth, trust, and innovation to every Filipino home. I'd like to again acknowledge once again the presence of Kiowa COO Mr. Eugene Ong, Kiowa President Mr. Nathaniel Ong, my Launchpad Incorporated President Ms. Mary Jane Buencamino is also here, and of course Ms. Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo for this ceremonial contract signing. All right, everybody, yes, you can open up those folders. Here we go. Once again, joining us on stage right now for this signing is my Launchpad Incorporated President, Ms. Mary Jane Buencamino. And again, on stage is Kiowa COO, Mr. Eugene Go, Kiowa President, Mr. Nathaniel Ong, and of course, the newest face of Kiowa, Ms. Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo, making this partnership official. I love that there's a lot of cameras flashing, photos, videos. Please tag us at Kiowa PH. We also have our hashtags for today. Hashtag Kiowa PH, hashtag Kiowa X Judy Ann, and hashtag Tiwala Ako sa My Cave. Alright, Ms. Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo is officially putting her name behind Kiowa, particularly the oven, the air fryer. Oh, we're done! Okay, we are finished! Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Congratulations, Judy Ann and Kiowa. How about a big round of applause? Alright, let's do an official photo of sitting down first. Okay, everybody seated. Okay, yes, we have our camera there at the center. To our photographers, anybody who wants to take a good photo, now would be a good time to do that.
Thank you.
All right, another one standing up perhaps and in front of the tables, please. Okay, so it's not just water,
Yes, so this is a mixture of coconut milk and evaporated milk.
Ooh.
So it's very creamy, so kahit matunaw siya, hindi siya parang lasang tubig.
Correct, okay.
So, ako kasi, pag naghahalo-halo ako, I only put what I like. So I don't like beans, I don't like, marami akong hindi gusto sa halo-halo. So dahil nga ako nang gumawa ng sarili kong halo-halo, this is very special because I only added what I really like in a halo-halo.
What is it that you really like?
So, I love nata de coco. So, non-negotiable ko yan. I like sago. And this is, ito yung mga recipes na galing ko, dishes na galing sa Underdog is my own buttered kamote, buttered saba.
Ooh, okay.
And sweetened kamote. And black sesame polvoron and cream cheese leche flan.
Parang sobrang level up ng mga ingredients natin. Kaya naman pala siya nagbayad.
So, inantaran ko talaga si Gordon Ramsay. Pero, I'm happy na ang nanalo ay estudyante. Kasi deserve nila yung boost na yun.
So gracious. I love that.
And this is cheese because I like the mixture of sweet and savory.
Sweet salty, that
Yes.
combo. Oh,
So,
yes, I love that.
yung talagang, hindi kasi ako mahilig sa matapis, but when I have my dessert, I make it a point that it has that salty element.
Para hindi na tayo maumay, we can have more.
So, isuot mo na natin itong ating
Okay.
Noah air.
We gotta put on the apron because she's a professional like that, okay? Chef Juday in the house. Alright, we're gonna use the Kiowa eye shaver, of course, to do this one. Okay, so we went through a... Ayun, may mic pa lang tayo.
Ay, ayun na. Kala ko hindi pa ako naririnig. Tumawag ako ng gusto. Okay, so it's very, very simple. I love nata, so I put that at the bottom. And ayun yung isa sa pinakamaraming. Kumbaga, 40% of my halo-halo is nata.
Parang dapat nasa title yung nata.
Hindi na black sesame. And then the kamote on the side.
Parang mas healthier din siya.
Konting ko, hindi siya kasing talas.
Right. Ay,
Ng
parang just
ibang,
delicious siya.
ng ibang halo-halo. That's why I don't like the beans. Siguro growing up, hindi lang talaga ako nasanay sa beans. At saka yung kakao, hindi ako nila sa kakao. But nata is non-negotiable. This is the saba, it's buttered. So dahil na solidify na yung melted butter, when you eat it, you actually feel the butter.
The richness.
The richness of the butter. So I'll add this little sago and nadel. Actually, pag kayo yung bumuo nito, kahit ano, kasi kaya nahalo-halo kasi hahaluin yun, di ba? So it really doesn't matter.
That's the beauty of the halo-halo, you're right. You can customize it and just
Yes.
use the ingredients on your spoon.
So sa two slices of langka, if mahilig kayo sa langka, pwede yung damihan pa. And some cheese in the middle.
Salty sweet.
Yes, and there are black sesame polvoron.
So as in literally, you just pulse polvoron and black sesame seeds?
I make my own mixture of black sesame polvoron. We have our own recipe for this in Angry Dogo. And then our ice.
Of course, the all-important.
Yes.
Oh,
So
my
you
goodness.
will be also getting your own ice shavers.
Kaya, ito na halo-halo
Diba?
Oh.
So you can add, depende on, you can make your own flavors of ice. So you can play around. It could be ube, it could be strawberry, it could be gatas ng kalabaw. Kung ano yung trip nyo, go. Walang mali.
I'm really excited to see the texture of this.
The texture of this ice is very fine. Hindi ito yung parang nakalagayhan natin ng araw na that you can bite on the ice.
Yes, yes.
This actually melts in your mouth.
Oh, promising, right?
And it's easy, it's no mess.
Oh, you're right. It's so fine.
It's very, very fine. Parang siyang snowflake. And this comes with a scooper. Cute yung scooper that you can use kapag nag-ano na siya. Yung ice ko lang kasi, since it's made from milk, may mga moments that it could get stuck. So, ibababa nyo lang. Isisingit nyo na siya doon. May hole yan sa loob eh. Yan, ipapasok nyo lang yung ice doon sa parang ilalim ng gap.
Understandable because the mixture was chopped up into chunks.
Yes.
So you just have to kind of help
Just
it
really,
along.
there you go. You just have to put it inside. So makikita niyo po, may ganyan yan sa loob. You put the ice inside of the shaver.
I also really like the color scheme of your halo-halo.
Yes, kasi parang sa panahon ngayon, you also have to put it, you have to incorporate the aesthetic.
Oh, you eat with your eyes first.
Oo, diba? Hindi ka naman nagdadasal bago kumain. Pinipicture lang muna bago kumain. Diba? Guilty ka na. Ako din naman. Ako din naman. So like that, so ibig sabihin, you just have to push it back. Ayan, para mag-shave ka siya.
You know, this ice mixture is doing so much work already because it's so flavorful. We can help it along a little bit.
Yeah.
Pero ang bilis lang din, no? Parang hindi naman siya nagsastruggle to shave.
Kailangan mo lang siyang tulungan ipasok sa loob. But otherwise, Yan na siya. Oh, I love it na para siyang snowflake.
Na-imagine ko na yung texture niya actually.
Ay, ako na-excite pa.
It's like melting already.
There you go. Ay, nagadilang ako lang. Ay, sorry. So, we add our eyes. Ooh. Para siyang survey.
Yes. Actually, I mean, you know, if you don't want to do this, you can make your own sorbet.
Yes, yes, definitely. And it's more healthier kasi ikaw ang gumawa. Ikaw ang nagbuo.
And if you're a mom who has kids, I'm sure you know your kids would absolutely love this. And if you're concerned about nutrition, again, you can customize this to your liking.
And this is a very nice equipment to have at home kasi it's also easy to clean.
Oh, that's such a big part.
Yan ang pinakamalaking bonus talaga kasi wala naman tayong mga dishwasher na masyado sa atin.
Oo, pagkakalan tayo gamitin yan kung mahirap siyang sulit.
Medyo messy lang itong buuin, but you add your cheese, wala na lang, and add your... Siguro maganda unahin ko yung black sesame. Just a bit, kasi meron na tayo sa gitna.
I like how the black sesame is so glaring with the white shake ice.
At ang dumi na station. Sorry po. Hindi ko maiwasan. And some cheese at top. Malinis po ang kamay ko. And of course, this is your cream cheese flan.
Cream cheese flan.
Yes. This is a recipe that I created when I cooked for the nuns in the Vatican.
The Vatican, like the Vatican.
The Vatican.
Whoa!
Nagkataon lang that I was able to cook for some nuns there in their dormitory. And ito yung recipe na naisip kong gawin sa kanila. So I added this also in Amrigo.
Let me guess, they said, July, this is so simple.
Yeah! Napatawad naman ako agad. There you go. So this is your black sesame polvoron halo-halo.
I love it. It's a beautiful looking halo-halo. Again, it was so easy to assemble. Of course, the eye shaver from
Really healthy. Yun talaga
super
yun.
healthy. Yes, yes. I love
So
this.
they will be getting their own servings, right?
They are! So everyone, you don't get to just see the black sesame polvoron halo-halo, but we made some for all of you so that you can try it as well, okay? But they're so busy taking pictures, they cannot applaud.
Tayo na! Yay! Thank you!
I'm so excited!
This is for you.
Thank you, thank you. We need to get a picture of that too first, of course. All right, once again, the viral, very famous black sesame polvoron halo-halo. I'm gonna give you a moment with that so that they can take pictures of you.
Diba? Ang ganda niya. Pwede siya
Oh.
ligaw. And it's go like that. There you go.
All right, thank you so much once again, Juday, for sharing your kitchen magic with us and for reminding us that with Kyowa, even the simplest merienda can turn into a special memory. We're looking forward to seeing this all over social media. Please tag in or platform that you're with, and then you can ask your question.
Yes, good afternoon. I'm Romel Gonzalez from Pep.ph and Tabloids. And congratulations, Judy Ann, for your Kyowa endorsement. And my first question is, I don't know kung naitanong na ito sa'yo. Meron ka bang unforgettable moment, pwedeng nakakatakot, nakakatuwa, or nakakagulat na experience habang nagluluto? Pwede mo bang ma-share?
Marami. Kasi when you're in the kitchen, a lot of things can happen. Nakakatakot yung munti ko nang masunog yung kilay ko.
Kilay is life. We know this.
Yes.
So,
At ang kilay, hindi tumutubo agad. So that's one. Nakakatawa is, so when you wake up in the morning, di ba? And you're all still busy from puyat and all, akala ko ang niluluto ko, baon ng anak ko. Yun pala, walang laman yung kaldero ko. So there are moments na, gano'n lang, ikot ako ng ikot, halo ako ng halo. Wala pa lang akong niluluto. Kasi puyat pa ako from work. So that's one. Third, siguro, may mga maraming factor na mapapasok ka sa oven. So I have mga oven scars dito sa siko. na forever na siya dyan. And hindi ko siya pinapagalaw kasi it reminds me of my mishaps in the kitchen. And pag nakikita ko siya, naalala ko na kailangan kong mag-ingat when it comes to my oven, and you also have to have appliances in the kitchen that you can actually trust or alam mo maaasahan. So, yan yung mga bagay na talaga may isipan na, okay, if I want my children to learn something in the kitchen, I also need to learn some things for myself. And ito kinikwento ko sa kanila para hindi nila magawa, hindi nila ulitin, hindi mangyari sa kanila. And I allow them to make mistakes in my kitchen. Thank you.
And I remember meron kang sa Julian's Kitchen na meron ka isang soup na nabitiwan mo buong bowl.
Yes!
Pero, oo, gyudon, tama. Yan,
Yes,
nakakatawa
beef
din.
gyudon.
And then
Nakuha ko yung bowl.
For my next question, since you're endorsing Kiowa, curious lang kami, ano yung pinaka-paborito mong kitchen appliance na tingin mo hindi mo kayang mawala yung appliance na yun? Bakit?
Rice cooker. Rice cooker is life. Because rice is life. So I would bring rice cooker, Kiowa rice cooker, in my kids' games, especially kapag abroad kami or out of town. Lalo si Lucho kasi kanin talaga yan eh. And when you're in a hotel, shucks, baka ma-flag ako sa mga hotel na nagluluto ka pa na sa banyo. Kasi yun yung mga bagay na, of course, hindi ko isa-sacrifice yung nutrition ng anak ko, ng mga anak ko, especially may mga games sila. I want them to be full before and after each game. So pag nag-request si Lucio na, Mama, can you please make me salpicao or any one-pot meal. So having your rice cooker with you, you can actually create something magical in a small area in your hotel. If you have a balcony, swerte kasi hindi aamoy yung kwarto mo. Kung wala man sa banyo ka, magdasal ka na lang na walang housekeeping na pupunta. But it is something that's very reliable. And us as Filipinos, hindi tayo nagiging happy pag walang kanin. And I think, given, mahirap pumili kung ano sa mga appliances ng Kiowa, pinaka gusto kong panigyan ano. But just to be very honest and truthful, for me, yung rice cooker talaga. Kasi it is something that you leave it, and pagbalik mo, perfect yung kanin mo. Wala ka nang problema.
Ayan. Thank you, Ms. Judy Ann.
Bakit mga ito ka pa eh?
Give chance to others. And to the Kiowa team, you made the perfect choice.
Wow!
Thank you. Thank you very much. It's very interesting to me that your answers are always connected to your kids also, no?
Yes.
It's all about your children. Yes, we have our next question.
Hi Sam, hi and good afternoon. So my name is Gretchen Gandap-Fergada from the MetroEdit.com, and so I have a daughter. She's 3 years old, turning 4, and as a seasoned mom, what recipes can you recommend to somebody like me? I'm not a very good chef in the kitchen, so medyo hindi ako magaling mag-cook for her, but I would really like for her to, eat healthy, teach her as early as now, like healthy recipes, healthy snacks. So for you, like what would you recommend to a new mom like me? And like what products from Kiowa would you use also, so maybe I can use them also?
Well, of course, I've said that the rice cooker, that's a must that we need to have at home kasi, again, rice is life. The air fryer I would recommend for healthy cooking. It is also something that's pretty much very safe for the kids na i-introduce sa kanila when it comes to cooking. We also have waffle makers. Yung waffle maker, you can make it oatmeal banana pancakes, and sometimes you can make pancakes with some shredded carrot para mukha siyang banana carrot bread. Inserting vegetables in your kids' food while including them in the kitchen while cooking makes for them to appreciate what they're gonna eat. Kasi katulong ka nilang gumawa, they know what's in their food, and you actually show them that I trust you using these products and items because I know you're gonna be safe. Because I trust Kiowa so much that I know in my heart and in my mind, pag iniwan ko yung mga anak ko using the Kiowa items or Kiowa appliances, it's very easy to understand. It's very easy to use. It is something na wala kang maraming kailangang intindihin para magamit siya. That is, I think, one of the main reasons why Kiowa has been here for the longest time because it's not difficult to understand.
Thank you. Thank you, Gretchen. No, I agree, yeah. I mean, these products being intuitive is so important. No? Parang if it's complicated to figure out, my gosh.
Ang dami na kasing appliances now na ang dami nilang gustong patunayan. Hindi mo na naiintindihan kung anong gagawin mo kasi ang dami na 3-in-1, 4-in-1, 25-in-1. Kasi hindi mo na, ayaw mo na magluto, order ka na lang sa labas. So I think I'd still go back to the basic cooking, basic appliances. Just so you'd be able to appreciate these little details that you make in the kitchen.
The classics are classic for a reason, you know.
Yep,
And
yep.
cooking with your kids, such a fun activity which makes them feel so fulfilled also. Thank you so much again, Gretchen. We have our next question, please.
Hi, Juday. I'm Salve. Juday, ano mas na-enjoy mo? Ano yung pinaka-nahirapan ka? Yung pagiging chef, actress, or pagiging producer? Tapos, as a chef, ano yung ultimate dream?
Ultimate dream as a chef.
Yeah, thank you.
You first, at Tita Salve, tita ba o ate? Ate. Saan ako pinaka-nahihirapan when it comes to everything I do in my life? Well, actually, in all honesty, wala naman mahirap. May challenges, yes. Yung hirap, I think it is something na for me, hindi ko iniisip, kaya hindi ko siya nararamdaman. But more on, I think of it as a challenge para I could give my best in any part of my work. May it be a celebrity endorser, it could be as a mom or a wife or as a chef. I think it is a challenge. So, because I learn from it, in everything that I do, I really make it a point that I learn something from it. Ano pa yung hinahanap ko or ano pa yung dream ko of becoming a chef? Wow! Sige, suntok sa buwan, wala namang masamang mangarap. I really wanted to put up my own little school and teach kids. Someday, hopefully, because maraming mga, and new moms, mga takot sa kusina, probably, looking back at the comments of Julian's Kitchen, I see new moms, I see college students na nag-enjoy watching Julian's Kitchen and that they basically napapasaya sila ng channel. Pero naman, why not create a community that I could actually teach people to not be scared in taking a risk inside the kitchen and actually learn a skill because cooking is a survival skill. It is something that we have to learn, be it you're a single mom or a single person, maaring dalaga ka, binata ka, but cooking for yourself is very important. Kailangan hindi na yan, kaya mo magpakulo ng tubig.
Sana, yes. It's a start. It's a start. We have to start somewhere. Yes. No, but I love that because I think that's like basically the highest level is now you teach others.
Yes.
And that is what you are aiming for.
Yeah, but I know I have to learn so much more. I mean, I am not yet a seasoned chef. I know I'm a newbie in this industry and I am still learning and I'm being very honest when I say that I have a long way to go. I still have a long way to go. I'm just really grateful that people are actually trusting me with their brands and their products, and that alone I'm grateful already.
I'm sure they're happy to be along for the journey with you.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. Our next question. Hello.
Hello, I'm Naz from Kaimina. Do you remember the first dish you cooked and how has your relationship with food changed nung naging chef ka na?
The first dish I cooked when I was probably 10, 11 years old was sopas. Kasi favorite comfort food ko ang sopas up until now. Pag may sakit ako, or puyat ako from work, or may hangover ako.
So real.
Kasi at 47, pag uminom ka na ng 2 baso wine, kinabukasan may hangover. So, hindi ko naman inatago sa inyo. Huwag tayo magpaka-plastic. So, those are the things that I love to cook. So, when I learned how to make sopas, nung nag-culinary na ako, natuto na ako mag-explore. So, there are times that I would put curry powder in my sopas. I would put cheese. I would put clams. So, para naging seafood chowder na siya at some point. Parang I love creating a blank space using sopas as my canvas. Nung nag-culinary na ako. Kasi, looking back, it makes me happy when I eat sopas. So, it just makes sense that I can actually play around with sopas. So, you know that you can actually put pesto sauce in your sopas.
Wow, really?
Oo, pwede pala. May hangover o wala. So, yun, nag-culinary ako. It just made me appreciate more na, and mas na-realize ko na, yes, I really do love cooking so much kasi looking back with my younger days, when I'm so tired from work, pag burnt out ako from work, and ang daming chismis sa buhay, I go on a news blackout. I see myself in the kitchen cooking from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Wow.
Nasa kusina lang ako. So, doon ako natutong magluto sa rice cooker. Doon ako natutong mag-explore na kung ano-ano. Kasi galit ako. Hindi naman galit, but I don't want to be seen. I just want to be busy. Gusto ko i-busy yung utak ko na hindi show business ang iniisip ko. So, I would always turn to cooking. And it would always make me happy at the end of the day na parang, okay, I can face them already. Because I've proven to myself na, you know what, pwede akong hindi lang artista someday. I can actually do something else when no one wants to get me anymore. I can still make something out of a living na pinag-aralan ko. So I'm very, very proud of the things that I make. I mean, it may be just comfort food, but these are the things that everything that they will eat from Agradobo, it came from my heart. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Kate, hi.
Hi, next up. Congratulations to Jai. I'm Kate of Random.
Thank you.
The question is, what are your most favorite and least favorite parts of cooking? And may advice ka ba sa mga newbies when it comes to pagluluto?
My most favorite part in cooking is when you were able to create something out of the box. When it's something that's only in my mind, and it just makes sense kapag nagawa ko na siya. Because I've just proven myself na, pwede yung combination na yan eh. Worst part of cooking, hindi ko ayoko sabihin maghugas kasi hindi naman ako madalas sa maghugas ng pinggan. Pag nasa ibang bansa, yes, I wash the dishes. Worst part of cooking, least favorite part of cooking, probably would be pag napapaso ka, or nahihiwa mo yung sarili mo and all of a sudden, you can't use both of your hands anymore kasi nga injured ka. So that normally happens during chef's nights or pag nagmamadali ka. Kasi after that incident, it has this domino effect na bad trip na ako, hindi ko na kaya mag-isip, hindi na ako maka-function properly because I know I can work with both of my hands. But then again, it's also a challenge to deliver. Especially when it's service time. Walang injured. Walang dito nga lumabas ang laman sa daliri mo. Umilos ka. Tsaka na natin din sa ospital. So it toughens you up. It toughens you up. You be professional. This is the skill that you wanted. This is the line of job that you wanted to have. So you learn from it, you move on from it, and it is something na nagawa ko ng dead na head, yung hindi na ako nasasaktan. Nasasaktan ako, hindi ko lang inaamin.
Thank you, Kate. No, I mean, you know what? The professional kitchen is a very intense place.
Yes,
no?
yes, definitely. Especially when people are coming in and ang dami ng nangyayari, someone needs to be on top.
Tama. Hello, hi.
Hello, hi Mr. Congrats for being the new face of Kiowa. My name's Owl, by the way. I'm from GizGuide.com. We actually cover tech, so this is something new, at least for me, to be in a culinary space. No? But can't help but notice one of the products, you know, the air fryer the Kiowa Cyclone air fryer. That's Cyclone technology. I think you already know this. It really is a standout product for me as someone from tech. No? But I guess ang question ko sa'yo, Ms. Juday, what are your top 3 most recommended ulams or dishes that we can probably cook using the Cyclone air fryer?
Recipes? Ulam dishes?
Ulams, dishes, recipes.
Using the air fryer?
Yeah, using the air fryer.
Very easy. Everybody loves a good chicken recipe. Everybody loves a good fried chicken. But now, as we get older, and we want our kids to be healthier when they enjoy their fried chicken, you can always use the Kiowa air fryer. Marinate your chicken ahead of time, portion it, para you'll always have these items ready. Pag ginusto lang diba sa mama, I want fried chicken, take it out of the refrigerator, thaw it, bread it, spray it with some cooking spray. That's what I like about the Kiowa air fryer. You just have to baste it with a small amount, very small amount of oil, just to crispify or crisp up. Is even crispify even oil.
It is now. And then you're officially putting it in the dictionary, yes.
So just to crisp your item, so you can actually cook a lot here. You can have your hash browns, your favorite lumpiang Shanghai. You can make tortang talong using air fryer. You can actually bake brownies, cookies. So it's not just for savory dishes. You can actually use it for making desserts for a small family of probably 4 to 5, but it's very quick to cook. At saka hindi siya mahirap linisin. So that would be my top one. Could be a fried chicken recipe na nakalakihan nila. My fried chicken recipe will just be patis, garlic calamansi with a lot of pepper. Yan ang tried and tested talaga. Sarap, diba? And then air fry it for a couple of, you have to, kailangan mo lang siya, gusto ko po sana English na ubusan na ako na English. Kailangan mo lang siya lagyan ng gatla. O yun, alam yun yung hiwa para lang lumabas yung blood ng chicken and maluto yung loob kasi nga hindi siya deep fried. So you want the heat to penetrate inside the protein. So you need to give that pathway dun sa protein. But then again, you can actually cook anything. The Kiowa air fryer actually comes with a booklet and some instructions on how to use it. You can Google any recipes that you can use air fryer. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And wow, I mean the explanation of the recipe was like so technical. So parang nalasahan ko yung fried chicken when you described it. Pero you know, the air fryer is something that really kind of like revolutionized the kitchen.